But when a mother-in-law, according to your point of view, becomes an outlaw, the daughter-in-law should examine herself. Yan ang unang-unang dapat gawin ng isang manugang na may kontrabidang biyenan. Unay manalamin at suriin ang kanyang sarili. The daughter-in-law should examine herself. 1 Corinthians 11:28, a man ought to examine himself. Siyempre, pwede dapat yung woman din. A woman ought to examine herself. What does she examine? When your mother-in-law is at war with you or you're at war with her, the daughter-in-law should examine her disposition towards the older woman. Paano ba kayo nakikitungo sa kanya? So ang kausapin muna natin ngayon mga manugang, are you loving enough? Are you respectful enough? Are you giving her enough attention? Utos, isa sa 10 utos, Exodus 20 verse 12, honor your father and your mother. At hindi naman siguro kalabisan na idagdag yung in-law. Honor your father-in-law, honor your mother-in-law. Lalo sa ating mga taga-silangan na ang magulang ng ating asawa ay magulang din natin. Yung mami nga ng classmate mo, mami mo rin eh. Yung tita nga ng kaibigan mo, tita mo rin. Di lalo naman yung magulang ng asawa mo. Magulang mo talaga yon. So the daughter-in-law should examine herself. She should examine her behavior. Also towards her husband and children. Pagka ang biyenan mo maraming reklamo sa iyo, susuriin mo yung sarili, manugang, at susuriin mo kung paano ka nakikitungo sa asawa mo na anak niya at sa mga anak mo na apo niya. Sabi sa Titus 2:4-5, referring to older women, then they can train the younger women to love their husbands and children, to be self-controlled and pure, to be busy at home, to be kind, and to be subject to their husbands, so that no one will malign the word of God. In other words, the daughter-in-law should examine her housekeeping ways. A mother-in-law is often offended by her daughter-in-law's neglect of duty. Kuminsan siyempre, dahil mahal ng nanay yung anak niya, mahal niya yung mga apo niya, kuminsan, madalas nangyayari, ang mga reklamo niya laban sa kanyang manugang ay reklamo niya laban sa pamamahay at paraan ng pamamahay at pagiging may bahay nung manugang na yon. Baka laging nasa layasan, baka laging nakababad sa mga beauty parlor, baka ubos ng ubos ang budget at hindi mapagkasya ang kinikita ng husband, baka siya ay pabaya, baka ang mga bata ay nanlilimahid tapos ang ganda-ganda niya. Madalas sa mga biyenan niya nagreklamo sa manugang nila, ang feeling nila yung anak nila ay napapabayaan. Right or wrong, yung biyanan dapat magsuri yung manugang. The daughter-in-law should review and examine her disposition toward her own relatives also. Baka kaya ganyang laging mainit ang ulo sa inyo ng inyong biyanan because she detests